Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix JBL Xtreme 2 not charging. So guys, there are many reasons to cause this issue. First reason guys, the hardware issue, and the hardware of the speaker is faulty. Then this issue will be rise of the check, and check the adapter and check the power outlet, and then check the connector of your speaker guys, and then clean the first like clean to the connector changing, and you have software issue in your speaker. Then you will need to follow these simple steps. The first step guys, press on the hold power button and the plus button and then play button together about 10 seconds, and then after that the second option is press on the plus button and the play the button together about 10 seconds, and third option is press on the plus button and the play button and then 1 minute together. And this is how you can do guys. The step 2, if you this not work, you should be could include these tips: charging and check your cable and adapter and cleaning the charging port, and make sure you cleaning your ports, the charging port, and resting the speaker or replacing battery if necessary. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you another video soon.